Hi, I'm Angela Meharg, founder of Datisfy. Since 2013, I've been helping companies get the reports they wish QuickBooks could generate, because I kept seeing smart people stuck in frustrating manual processes just to get answers from their own data. Let's talk about when you actually might need a custom report. You might be thinking, well, we already use the reports inside of QuickBooks. Why would I bother? Well, what do you know about how much time your team is spending exporting data, reformatting it, and rebuilding the same spreadsheets every month? It's frustrating because you know that the data is in there, but you can't access it the way you need it. Here are a few clues that it might be time for something better. Maybe someone is exporting reports just to add custom totals or formatting. Maybe you're regrouping the accounts and subtotals for the board in a format QuickBooks can't provide. Or maybe you need a commission report that does some complicated calculations like splits or quotas, or how about gross margins? Custom reports can solve problems you might have assumed were just part of the job, your job. Tailored layouts, dynamic calculations, or visuals that QuickBooks won't let you do. Pulling in related data that QuickBooks doesn't store, like project notes or goals, for example. Automatically generating and distributing reports on time, every time. I'm not sure if this is for you, but if you're a bookkeeper or accountant spending hours on this kind of work, you should probably be charging like a developer or finding a better way. Custom reporting is technical. It requires deep understanding of business data, relational databases, and how QuickBooks actually stores information under the hood. Before you make up your mind about what QuickBooks can or can't do, it's worth knowing the data is already in there, but getting it out and turning it into something useful is another story. Unless you work with this data every day, it's not something you're likely to tackle successfully. And while Intuit offers many standard reports, they cannot possibly predict all the ways you might need to see your business data. They've also kept access relatively closed off, which can make things harder for users who just want clarity. That's where people like us come in. Most people don't realize there's a small but mighty category of specialists who do exactly this. And I know most of them because there are very few of us. Let me leave you with this. What are the reporting roadblocks in your business? The manual steps, the rework, the frustration. Just imagine if those steps disappeared and your reports were just ready when you needed them. How open-minded would you be to exploring a more intelligent approach to reporting without having to leave QuickBooks for a more sophisticated ERP? We should talk about it.